Hello, this is Travis with Glamping Gleaves. Thought I'd take a moment to share a video with you of the Acuva ArrowMax 2 water treatment system that we just installed in our 2016 Tiffin Phaeton 40 QBH motorhome. This system is a UV LED water treatment system, so it utilizes a filter to clean the water as well as a UV system that is supposed to really filter down the water and clean out any type of bacteria, anything like that that might get into the water that might make you sick. Also, we do have the on-demand water softener as well as the Clear Source 3-stage water filtration system for the water coming into the rig. So with those, as well as this treatment system, it should provide us some really good clean drinking water. And then also with the on-the-go and the Clear Source filter system that we have outside, that filters the water that goes into your holding tank. But if your water sat there for a few days, you want to make sure it's good clean. This system comes in after the holding tank, so the water that you're pulling from your holding tank would come through the system, filter it, and clean it. So then if you're out boondocking, you have some good clean drinking water as well. But to show how easy it is to install this unit, all you have to do is there's a bracket that the Acuva attaches to. You just have two screws that you screw that to the wall. There's two little brackets there for the filter. Screw those to the wall, and then you got this tubing. The tubing will go from your T-splitter that taps into your cold water supply line. It goes over into one side of the filter, comes out the other side of the filter, goes into the Acuva device, and then there's another tube that goes from the Acuva device up to the smart faucet up top. And pretty simple. If you can basically turn the screw or pre-drill a hole and turn a screw and be able to plug it into the wall, you can install this. It's a pretty easy job to do. And the fourth component is the smart faucet itself that goes up top on the sink. I didn't have to do any drilling in the countertop because there was a soap dispenser mount on this RV that already had a hole through the countertop. But if you do have to drill a hole, it's a 3/4 inch hole that you would drill. Then the smart faucet just goes down through it, and then there's a nut on the bottom of it that secures it to the countertop. And then on this, when you turn on the water, you see it provides a blue light to show that the Acuva filter is on and working and using the UV rays to help filter the water for you. So we've been using this filtration system for about a week now, and I've been very happy with it so far. Water doesn't have any funny taste or anything like that to it. It doesn't drop down your water pressure, get a good flow out of it. And then everything I've read online shows it's a really good system as far as everything that's filtering out. So if you installed this type of system, or do you have any type of questions about the system itself, please feel free, comment below, let me know what your experience has been, or if you have any questions about it, I'll be more than happy to help out. And I appreciate you watching. Please give it a thumbs up. It helps the video. Thanks.